Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm showing you guys my week of favorites. This one is going to be my favorite leave-in conditioners. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into it. Now, finding the perfect leave-in, I feel like it's hard for me because I like a leave-in that's moisturizing, and now I like a leave-in that's also helping with frizz, because when I do my wash and goes, I want them to be pretty defined. I have a leave-in for a little bit of everything, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got and let's get into my favorites. So my first one is gonna be for when I decide I want to blow dry my hair. So that's the Shea Moisture Sugar Cane Extract and Metal Foam Seed Silicone Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment. This is very moisturizing. It helps me blow dry my hair, and I feel like it helps to protect it. Overall, it's a pretty good leave-in for when you're about to straighten your hair or blow dry it. More so, I use it for when I'm about to blow dry it, and it gets the job done, so it's one of my favorites. My next favorite is going to be my Sunny Owl. This is like my second bottle. This is their Not Free Forever Natural Leave-In Detangler. This kind of reminds me of the consistency of Kinky Curly Knot Today. That used to be one of my favorites, but it was so pricey that I stopped purchasing it. This is $6.99, and I usually can find it at TJ Maxx or something like that. This is paraben and sulfate free, but one thing I love about it, it helps to stimulate hair growth, and it also is good for detangling your hair. So it's kind of like a weird thick consistency. It's like the Kinky Curly consistency. So if you know, you know. It has slip, it has moisture, but I also like the fact that it is helping to grow my hair. So it has been one of my favorites, more so when I do braid outs, or if I just do a regular bun in my hair, I would use this product. I haven't used it for a wash and go yet, I don't think. I may have used it for a wash and go. This isn't the kind of consistency I would want to use for a wash and go, but for braid outs and stuff like that, I love this product. My next favorite is the African Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula Leave-In Conditioner. This product was here for me when I first started doing wash and goes. This was the leave-in I was using because it's very moisturizing, but it helps with anti-breakage, so it's going to help strengthen your hair as well. And it has a pretty good smell, and it's pretty affordable. It's very moisturizing more so. Even though it says it helps strengthen your hair, I find that it's more moisturizing for me. Now the smell smells more like bubble gum, and the smell after a while gets on my nerves, so I won't be repurchasing it just because the smell is kind of like it's too like fruity bubble gumish. But it absorbs quickly into your hair. Like as soon as I put it in, I feel it just, my hair soak up all the moisture that it has, and it's a pretty good product. It's only like $3. My next fave, y'all know I gotta add my Dollar Tree products. I love the Dollar Tree products. The Shea Solutions Leave-In Conditioner. This is my go-to when I do my puffs, my wash and go puffs. This is my go-to because it's so moisturizing. It detangles my hair, and it makes my curls pop. When I would do those little puffs and my curls would look extra curly and pop in, all I would put in my hair is the leave-in conditioner. I wouldn't put any gel, nothing like that. It also says it moisturizes, detangles, protects. You can find this at Dollar Tree. It's super moisturizing, and I love it. I don't even know what bottle number I'm on. When I don't want to spend a lot of money, plus you get 8 fluid ounces. When I don't want to spend a lot of money, I always purchase this. I have not tried it for a wash and go yet. I do need to try it out and see how it works with like my wash and go products, because if it works good, I might have to start using this. But my other favorite $1 product, this stuff is so bomb. It works so good when I do my wash and goes. It's my Salon Selectives Frizz Control. Did I mention it's from the Dollar Tree? It's leave-in smoothing, and it also has argan oil from Morocco in it. This stuff is just so bomb. It helps to control my frizz right away. Like after I've washed my hair, I apply this leave-in, and I can see my frizz going away immediately. Like this stuff actually really helps with your frizz. So in return, when I put on my styler and my gel on top for my wash and goes are popping because I've used something that helps to control frizz right away. Like I said, it's only $1. It's 4 fluid ounces. The only downside is I don't like the smell. The smell, they could have did way better. It's not the most pleasing thing to smell, but it works. And once I apply my styler and other things on top, I don't even smell it no more, so I really don't care. And also it's pretty moisturizing, so it's a pretty good leave-in conditioner for your hair. So those were all of my favorite leave-in conditioners. Comment down below some of your favorites. I would love to hear what you guys love, especially when you're pairing it with a wash and go, because you guys know I'm a wash and go girl now. So I would love to know what leave-ins are pretty good for your wash and goes. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.